It's been a couple weeks since I've decided to come mess around in the swamp, so I decided to do that this morning. I'm going to put one floating under a bobber and one on the bottom and see if we can find some bowfin, gar, maybe bullhead. We'll see what else is in here. But let's get some lines in the water and see if something happens. This one's still trying. I definitely got him, but does he stay on though? Oh, not a big one either. Well, looks like we're gonna have our first fish. Maybe we'll get our first fish. Oh, this guy's small enough I can try to flip him. I do that. Well, there's our first fish. Little Mr. Longnose. Not a big one, but nonetheless, such a cool species. I love these tail spots on these guys. But back you go. Oh, yeah, I committed to getting this fish a bunch of lines, so let's get this guy out of the way a little bit. See if we can find this line. Alright, if we can get it out of there. It's in logs. Well, somewhere again. Came out with a fish. I'm gonna find her hooking him. Well, just had battery issues, but interesting fight. This guy took me under some logs, and then he got stuck, so I had to open the bail and let him swim out. But we managed to get our fish out of there though. So second gar, also pretty small. Bottom rod's finally picked up. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, but that was a really big bowfin. Oh. We're picked up here. It's really subtle. Who's down there? I feel him moving a little bit. See if we can get him. Oh, that's not who we wanted. You were the last guy I wanted. There's one thing that sucks about fishing in a swamp, and it'd be snapping turtles. I probably should have just quit and stayed where I was at. I ended up going to a spot on the river, but it was so low it wasn't even worth putting lines in, and I checked another spot that looked terrible, and now I just put some lines in at a pond for a couple minutes. But I think that's going to be about the end of the day. But we ended up with a couple of fish. We should have had a really nice bowfin, but we'll get back at that at some point. Please subscribe and like, and hopefully I will see you soon.